Be seated, please, folks. I guess both sides have been given a copy of the note from the jury.
Yes, sir.
It says we are currently at impasse on the jury. What advice do you have, or what is our next course of action? What's the state's position?
I think we've all talked about it, and I think we're all in agreement with Alan charge the next course of action.
Mr. Prince?
Yes, sir.
All right. We understand once I do that, I can't say anything further to them except mistrial if they're unable to move beyond that.
I mean, if the court has some other suggestions.
No, I don't have any other suggestion. I'm just trying to be clear on the record. So, you know, when I don't have another suggested course of action at this point in time. I just want it to be clear that next time they tell us this, it'll be over with. So I guess everybody understands that. Yes, sir. Mr. Pugh?
Yes, sir, I do understand that.
Okay. I have the standard 4.1 jury deadlock instruction. I assume that's the appropriate instruction y'all referring to?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Let's have them in, please. So I think I'm going to send a copy of this to the jury. It's just the standard 4.1. Either side object to that?
No,
so they just have it in writing?
No.
Okay. We'll make the copy as soon as I get done.
Jury in the courtroom.
Everybody be seated. I've received your note. I want to give you just a little bit further legal instruction as requested. I know that all of you have worked hard to try to find a verdict in this case. It apparently has been impossible for you so far. Sometimes an early vote before discussion can make it hard to reach an agreement about the case later. The vote, not the discussion, might make it hard to see all sides of the case. We are all aware that it is legally permissible for a jury to disagree. There are two things a jury can lawfully do: agree on a verdict or disagree on what the facts of the case may truly be. There is nothing to disagree about on the law. The law is, as I told you. If you have any disagreements about the law, I should clear them up for you now. That should be my problem, not yours. If you disagree over what you believe the evidence showed, then only you can resolve that conflict, if it is to be resolved. I have only one request of you. By law, I cannot demand this of you, but I want you to go back into the jury room, then taking turns, tell each of the other jurors about any weakness of your own position. You should not interrupt each other or comment on each other's views until each of you has had a chance to talk. After you have done that, if you simply cannot reach a verdict, then return to the courtroom and I will declare the case mistried and will discharge you with my sincere appreciation for your services. I will send you a copy of these instructions in case there's any confusion about what I said. You may now retire to continue with your deliberations. Either side of objections to the instructions the court gave the jury?
No,